Good Monday morning, everyone. This is Sunny. She is the PTSD dog that I have been working with. We are out this morning going to work on heel, sit, stay, down, come. So let's get started. Sunny, heel. Good. Have a nice loose leash. There you go. Good job. And she snaps a sit. I love that. Stay. Sunny, come. Sit. Good, sit. No. She tends to want to jump on me at this point out of excitement because I've used the ball so many times to keep her attitude up while training. And I'm going to ask her to heel. She should come around behind me and return to the heel position on my left side. Sunny, heel. And there she is. Good job, Sunny. Good job. Trash trucks are running. Sunny, heel. Good. You know what people don't seem to understand is when you have a dog that's high anxiety, a lot of times obedience will help calm them because they understand that they have to behave and do as asked even in stressful situations for them. So it tends to give them boundaries that they are comfortable working within. Good job, Sunny. Good job. And there's the FedEx guy. Sit. Sunny, heel. Good. Good girl. Nope. I'm going to take her off into a grassy area where it's more comfortable to down. Training a dog to down and asking them to down on concrete and or asphalt, especially when hot, is not really fair for the dog. So we train where we have them comfortable to do so. Sunny, down. Stay. Nope. Stay. Sunny, sit. Good, sit. Good, sit. Perfect. Good job. Sunny, down. She anticipates. Nope. Stay. Sunny, sit. Good, sit. Good, sit. Nope. And one more. Sunny, down. Nope. Stay. See if we can get her to heel from this position. Sunny, heel. Good girl, and there she is. Awesome. Good job. Good job, Sunny. Stay. Excellent job. So, because she's done such a great job, we are going to give her the ball. Okay. Good girl. So good job. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. And that's how we keep this dog's attitude up. You guys have a fantastic Monday, and I'm off to train another dog.